Today I'm going to show you how to create a talking head video just like this one. Hi, I'm Debbie and I am LatinaAILab. This is a baby channel. I just created this channel because I wanted to teach others what I have learned about AI and how to create content. So the first thing you're going to need is an outfit, right? We want our AI twin to look good, right? So we're going to go head to Pinterest and I just typed casual outfits for women, hit the enter key to search, and then the one that I found was this one, the one that caught my eye. I wanted my avatar to be comfortable, so I went with this outfit. Next thing I did was head on over to ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to write a description in detail of the outfit the woman is wearing, and it did just that for me. And then I went ahead and I told it to write a prompt. I took this prompt over to, where did I go? All right, I went here to OpenArt AI, and I already have a prompt, but all I did was update it and added the outfit change because I used the prompt for this image here, but then I wanted to change the outfit. I haven't generated this yet. I wanted to do it with you on camera. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. So I'm going to open up a new window and I'm going to go to OpenAI. Here's OpenAI. If you have this platform, you can go ahead and just follow what I am doing. I only have 120 credits left. The plan that I have is 4,000 coins, and as you can see, I'm already almost out of coins. But if you wanted to upgrade, you can do that and get more coins, or you can just roll with it. So once you're in OpenAI, you're gonna go to where it says image here and then create image. You're going to go here to the side here on the left, and where it says model or character, you want to switch this and you want to choose nano banana. There are two nano bananas. As you can see, this one is pro. The pro costs more coins than the regular nano banana. So it's 15 credits per image that you generate. Then here is where you will paste your prompt. And then you will scroll down, and here's where you will add your images. All you have to do is click here, hit upload, and it will take you to where your images are. And then you scroll down a little bit more, and then here where it says output size, what do you want to make? A YouTube video, a TikTok video? So you choose the size of your image. So I'm going to go ahead with mobile because this is going to be for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And then how many images do you want to generate? You can do up to 4 images, but I'm just going to do 1. All right, I'm going to go back over here because I have everything set up already. And as you can see, I have my images uploaded. I have the mobile size 9:16 ratio. I'm generating only 1 image, and then we just cross our fingers and hope that it comes out the way that we described in our prompt. As you can see, I have also nano banana, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit create. It takes just a few seconds for it to create the image, but as you can see, I went down to 105 credits because I used 15 credits. All right, our image is generated. Now let's click on it and see if it did what it's supposed to do. Oh yeah, love that. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted, except for the microphone. You see, sometimes AI can get it wrong. Let me just show you something here. In this one, it got the microphone correctly. Then this one, it didn't. And then I generated it again, and it gave me the correct mic. But then I wanted to change the belt color, so I went ahead and I told it to change the belt color, and it did. But it gave me the mic like I wanted to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit generate again and cross my fingers and hope that it gives me a small mic instead of that big one. And then the mic is on her lap. I don't know why. It should be like up. She should be holding it up close to her face. And I'm sure that I said that in my prompt. Let me see. So just go over your prompt, see if you need to make any changes before you hit generate again. It says she holds a small handheld microphone near her chest with manicured nails in black shade. So I don't know why it's not holding the mic up. Like I said, AI is not perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and generate again and cross my fingers. Now I'm down to 90 coins, which hurts me to the core. But what can you do? All right, it still gave me a big mic. Oh my goodness. All right, we're just going to leave it alone because I don't have credits to waste. So I'm going to go ahead with the first image because I liked it better. And all you have to do is hit download here, or right from here you can hit the download button to download it to your computer. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to go ahead and find that in my downloads, and it's right here. So the next app that you're going to need, or website or platform, is HeyGen. I just got HeyGen, and oh my God, I am loving HeyGen. And I'm sure that what we just did in OpenArt we can do here, but I haven't tested that out yet. So I'm going to do it from my phone because I want to talk into my phone as I'm reading my prompt to HeyGen so it can do a talking head video. All right, so I have my image. I'm going to go ahead and open HeyGen from my mobile phone. It looks like this. I'm going to hit photo to video. I'm going to upload my image. I am then going to scroll down and I'm going to hit where it says switch to audio. And from there, you want to hit tap to record and then freestyle. And then you start recording your voice, whatever it is that you want to say, and you hit on generate, and it's going to start generating, processing your video. And then it's going to put it in your files, wherever it takes it to, for you to wait for it to finish generating. And it's going to take a little bit of time, not too much. And then you can click on your video to see how it turned out. If you want to learn how to create an AI twin like myself, stick around. I'm going to show you how. All right, so I have switched back to my computer, and as you can see, it was that simple. Now that you have your talking head video, if you want to learn how to create, and you can take this video, edit it in whichever editing tool you use. I use CapCut, or you can even do it in the TikTok app and upload this to your social media. And what's great about HeyGen is that you can create up to 30-minute videos. And the cost is minimal. It's like $30 a month. And it's unlimited videos. You can create podcasts. As you can see, I'm trying to create one here. I'm not sure what's happening. It's been doing it for 18 hours now. Maybe it was too long or something, and it just takes time. I'm going to try later on to upload a smaller or a shorter script, but we will see about that. But now you are ready to go and create content for your social media and talk about whatever it is that you are trying to promote, whatever you're trying to sell. This is a fun way of illustrating how you can use AI in social media. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider following. Also, share this, like it, and leave me a comment. What do you want to learn next? I'm happy to teach you anything you want to know.